Hello, welcome to Nightingale Tactical. Today we're going to be unboxing the Core Essentials gun belt. So let's get right into it. This is what the package comes in. It's a pretty compact box. Go ahead and open it. This is the Spyderco, I think Tenacious knife. And boom. And there you go. We've got some paperwork, a little booklet. I'm guessing this is going to show me how to install or set up the belt. We've got the buckle right here. This is what the buckle looks like. Some tools, or a tool and some screws in order to install the buckle. And then here, we got the belt itself. Go ahead and take it out. Very stiff. So it's like this brown leather, which is pretty neat. I like that. It's got this track line system in order to ratchet to your size. And then it's got like a sizing guide right here. Pretty hard to see, but there are like numbers here where you can kind of see your size. Pretty cool. So in order to set this up, I just have to find my pant size, which is about 34. I'm just gonna go up a little bit to 35. And then you add 4 to 6 inches to your waist size. You insert the cut end of the belt into the buckle teeth. And then there are a few other instructions, but let's go ahead and get started. So I know my pant size is about 34, but we're just gonna go up to 35. For inside the waistband carry, they recommend adding 6 inches to that. So I know my waist size is 35 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and cut to 30 or 41 inches to add, 6 onto that. I might do a little bit more just to be safe, so I don't cut too much off. We'll see, but let's go ahead and cut this. You know what? Let's just go ahead and cut at 41. No. I'll be safe and cut to 42. Oh, well, these scissors broke. Hopefully I can continue this. There we go. Pretty sure I broke these scissors, but we're good. Now what you want to do is there are these teeth on the buckle. We want to insert this inwards like so, and then we're going to clamp down. So I'm going to try to get the best angle for you guys. My bad. There's some screws in here. There's some screws in here that are keeping me from putting the belt all the way in. So these screws, I guess, are some extras. So we're going to loosen the screws. I do want to mention that this buckle feels super high quality, which is nice. Now we're going to insert the belt like so. There we go. The belt is all the way in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to close down on these teeth right here. There we go. It's in. And now we're just going to tighten using these screws. There we go. And now the belt clip, the belt buckle is installed. And pretty much the way that this works is you insert this and it'll ratchet. Let's see if we can get this in focus. It'll ratchet like so. And then it won't come out until you press down on this lever right here, when you press on that, you would kind of have to use two hands. It'll come out like so. So this should be a pretty sturdy platform for concealed carry. So let's go ahead and try this with the P365X Macro. All right, so here's a better look at the belt right there. And let's go ahead and try it on. So from left to right. Okay, here we go. And let's go ahead and ratchet it down. I've got plenty of room to adjust, but it's pretty secure. And that is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put this in here. And that is what it looks like. Let's move this camera up a bit. So let's go ahead and try to fit our gun on here. So this is the SIG P365X Macro in a Tenacor Curtem 3 holster. I did an unboxing of this. If you want to check it out on the channel, I'll go ahead and link to that in the description below. Let's go ahead and show clear. Don't know if you can see that. The weapon is clear. Nothing in the magazine. So let's go ahead and undo this real quick. Do that. We're going to take our Tenacor holster. Make sure the buckle is in the middle, right there, probably right there. Let's go ahead and throw this over here. Let me make sure I'm showing you guys. There we go. And that's in there. Boom. There you go. That's a better look. So now, let's go ahead and do our pants. Boom. And tighten our buckle. Super easy. Like so. Take our shirt from beneath our holster. Okay. So that's what it looks like with the holster. Let's go ahead and throw the P365X Macro in there. Alrighty. There you go. That's what it looks like. And this is what it looks like holding a firearm. I don't know if you can tell. Let me try and show you guys. This is what it looks like from behind. Kind of like bending over a little bit. You can see it poking out a little bit there. But I think this is a great platform for concealed carry. It feels super sturdy. The draw is pretty sturdy. Let's try that one more time. I haven't practiced drawing, so I'm going to do it pretty slow. Feels pretty comfortable. One more time. Yeah. Feels pretty good. I will say I should be able to tighten it a bit more. Maybe one more click. I think that might be good. Maybe a little too tight, but better to have it secured. One more time. There we go. Boom. So there you have it. That is the Core Essentials gun belt. If you guys like this video, I would appreciate it if you give it a like. If you really loved it, then maybe consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. See you later.